Problem number 1669. Merge in between linked lists. You are given two linked lists, list 1 and list 2 of size n and m respectively. Remove list 1's node from the A's node to the B's node and put list 2 in their place. The blue edges and nodes in the following figure indicate the result. Build the result list and return its head. Okay, so remove A and A till B, so you will have A minus 1 and B plus 1 remain. And then point A minus 1's next to the list 2 of the head, and point this to the dash node of this 2 to the B plus 1 node. And let's see the limitations, like if this one can be empty or this 2 can be empty, and if A and B size, like B should be always larger than A or equal or somewhat. Okay. Oh, this one will be at least 3 nodes. Okay. And AB will be at least 1. Okay, so they can be the same, but it will be at least delete 1 node. Okay, this 2 will be at least 1. Okay, so now empty. I think I will have 3 pointers. First pointer will be point to the I minus 1 node. Second pointer will point to the B plus 1 node. And third pointer will point to the last node of this 2. And I'm thinking, if is A going to be 0? No, so we will not remove the first node. So I don't think we need a dummy node. So we will have current equals list 1. Oh wait, we'll have a proof A and post B equals list 1, and last 2 equals list 2. Okay, so let's do we'll do a for loop and send proof A to but I think we need like A and proof A like if A is 3, so move 3 step 1, 2, 3. No, so you have to move A is 3, you will move A minus 1. And we will have for in range b plus 1. So I will send post b pointer to b plus 1. And the third pointer, we will have while last to next. Yeah, and last two will be we'll be pointing to the last node of list 2. And so proof A next will be this 2 had, and proof and last 2 next will be post B. Yeah, and that's return list 1.